What's the meaning of apiculturist? Apiculturist. Apiculturist. Apiculturist.
Apiculturist. Apiculturist. An apiculturist is a person who studies and raises honeybees for the production of honey, beeswax, and other hive products. They typically maintain colonies of bees and monitor the health of the bee population. Apiculturists also manage the genetic diversity of bee colonies and work to breed bees with desirable traits such as disease resistance and gentleness. In addition, they educate others about the importance of bees in our ecosystem and how to care for them. Overall, apiculturists play a crucial role in ensuring the preservation and productivity of honeybee populations.